How to use split screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's pretty easy. Let's open any application, let's say calculator, then tap on three bars to open recent applications menu, then tap on the application's icon at the top of thumbnail and open in split screen view. It's opened. Now you can select another application from recents, from must use apps, or from the full applications list. Let's say Gemini. Now you can resize the screen. Just tap on three dots in the middle and resize, and you can use this small line on each application to open menu. So you can change the application, open new one, tap on 9 dots, select other application, let's say gallery. Let's open this menu once again. You can open the app in a pop view mode, and in pop view you have these three dots. You can go back to split screen. Now what else? Let's open the menu. You can maximize the application or close the app from here. So let's maximize. To open it in split screen again, you need to repeat this action. So tap on three bars, tap on the icon, open it in split screen, and now select the application from recents. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.